In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit images in Canva. Whether you're fresh to Canva or just looking to polish your workflow, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what each option does so you can get the results you want with confidence. Start by opening your project. This is the design where your image already lives. Once your project is on screen, click to select the image you want to edit. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it. As soon as it's selected, look to the top toolbar. You'll see an edit option there. Go ahead and click it to open Canva's editing controls for that specific image. From here, you'll see several categories of tools designed to help you shape the look and feel of your photo. Magic Studio includes smart, AI-driven tools that can speed up common edits and creative tweaks. It's great for quick transformations when you want to experiment and see fast results. Filters offer ready-made looks. Think of them as one-click moods for your photo. Try a subtle filter first, then fine-tune from there so the image still feels natural. Effects provide stylistic treatments and creative enhancements that can help your image stand out. And apps bring in extra capabilities from within Canva's ecosystem, giving you more ways to expand your editing options without leaving your project. You'll also find the Adjust panel, which is perfect for precise control. If your photo looks too warm or too cool, use white balance to correct overall color temperature and remove unwanted color casts. Under Light, you can shape the brightness and contrast of the image, as well as highlights and shadows. Small, incremental changes often work best. Nudge brightness just enough to lift dark areas, and adjust contrast to add definition without crushing detail. Under Color, saturation and vibrance help you control intensity. Saturation affects all colors evenly, while vibrance boosts muted tones more gently. Aim for rich but believable colors, especially with skin tones and natural scenes. As you explore these options, make one change at a time and keep an eye on how the image feels. If something looks off, undo and try a lighter touch. Subtle edits usually stack together to create a clean, professional finish. And that's it. By selecting your image, opening the edit tools, exploring Magic Studio, filters, effects, and apps, and fine-tuning with Adjust, you've got everything you need to edit images in Canva clearly and confidently.